Creating a wooden table lamp is an excellent way to add warmth and personality to your home decor. Whether you prefer rustic table lamps or modern wooden lamps, handmade designs allow for personalization and creativity. In this guide, we will explore various table lamp ideas, models, and decoration techniques to help you craft the perfect lighting piece. Wooden table lamps bring a natural and elegant touch to interior design projects. By using reclaimed wood or high-quality hardwood, you can create a unique lamp that complements your space. DIY table lamp projects allow you to experiment with different shapes, textures, and finishes, making each piece truly one of a kind. Rustic wooden lamps are perfect for cozy interiors, blending well with farmhouse and vintage aesthetics. These designs often feature distressed wood, warm tones, and antique-style bulbs, creating a charming atmosphere. On the other hand, modern wooden lamps emphasize sleek lines, minimalist shapes, and contemporary finishes, making them suitable for modern lighting ideas. Personalized lighting is a great way to express your style. You can incorporate features such as engraved patterns, geometric shapes, or custom paint finishes to make your table lamp stand out. Wooden DIY lamps also allow you to experiment with different materials, such as metal accents, glass panels, or fabric shades, adding an extra touch of sophistication. Home decor lighting is essential for setting the right mood. Whether you need a bedside lamp, a desk lamp, or an accent light for your living room, wooden lamp designs provide endless possibilities. By combining craftsmanship with creativity, you can make a handmade wooden lamp that perfectly suits your home. If you love DIY projects and enjoy working with wood, creating a table lamp is a rewarding and fulfilling experience. With just a few tools and some creativity, you can craft a stunning piece that enhances your space and provides functional lighting. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more creative home decor and DIY ideas. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and share your thoughts. Stay tuned for more exciting projects.